Homonyms. Homonyms are two words that are spelled the same and sound the same but have different meanings. The word homonym comes from the prefix homo, which means the same, and the suffix nym, which means name. Examples: address, to speak to or location. Air, oxygen, or a lilting tune. Arm, body part or division of a company. Band, a musical group or a ring. Bark, a tree's outlayer or the sound a dog makes. Bat, an implement used to hit a ball or a nocturnal flying mammal. Bright, very smart or intelligent or filled with light. Circular, taking the form of a circle or a store advertisement. Current, up to date or flow of water. Die, to cease living or a cube marked with numbers 1 through 6. Express, something done fast or to show your thoughts by using words. Fair, equitable or beautiful. Jag, a sharp jutted object or a crying spree. Kind, type or caring. Lie, to recline or to tell a falsehood. Match, to pair like items or a stick for making a flame. Mean, average or not nice. Pole, a person from Poland or a piece of metal that holds a flag. Pound, unit of weight or to beat. Quarry, a site for mining stone or to extract or obtain slowly. Ream, a pile of paper or to juice a citrus fruit. Ring, a band on a finger or something circular in shape. Right, correct or direction opposite of left. Rock, a genre of music or a stone. Rose, to have gotten up or a flower. Spring, a season or coiled metal. Stalk, a part of a plant or to follow or harass someone. Tender, gentle or offer of money. Tire, to grow, fatigued or a part of a wheel. Well, in good health or a source for water in the ground. Pen, a holding area for animals or a writing instrument. Book, something to read or the act of making a reservation. Thank you.